Hi everyone, welcome back. Really pleased how that's turned out with that wax. Let me get some green on that today. Got to fix it back. I think I'm going to go with a darker colour on top. I think that will tie the area in just nicely. So a bit of fixing, sanding, and let's get that coat of paint on. I'm keen to space the boards out. I want it to be able to breathe behind. And that's going to need some sanding. We're just only putting fixings in the centre because either side we're double screwing. That will stop it twisting. That's just to secure it in place. So we're going double at the ends, single in the middle. If it was an outdoor application, I'd go double all the way through. That's all fixed now. I think what I'll do is take this outside and get that sanded to keep the dust down on it inside, and then stain it outside, bring it back and fix it on. Even with new timber, once you put the wax on, it really does pick out the grain. It don't look that new anymore, does it? Next, a quick sand down. Fill these holes, rub them back, then we'll get a lick of paint on there. All in the preparation, isn't it? Next is on with the wood filler. So whilst that's all setting, we'll work on the bottom area, get that filled and sanded, and come back and paint that then. certainly dry. I'm not going to fix this in place just yet. Should I need access for cabling, I can freely pass it through there. Just when I put it there, get it out of the sun. Hydration break. Tell you what, it's quite cool in here today, surprising. Not particularly humid, either that or I'm getting used to it, but it's boiling outside. Yeah, it's a good position here because I can see everything. Yeah, sometimes that's not such a good thing. Been thinking about the ceiling in here. My initial thoughts were they don't look too clever, the beams, aesthetically speaking, but the more I look at them I think, well, they do have a certain charm to them, and it may be a shame to cover them up completely. So what I'm thinking is inserts in between. There's a little bit of covering I've got to do on the new timbers to colour them up. They are different depths and widths, and I think that's kind of quirky. I think it may look good with what I've got in mind. Got some pointing up to do on the half of the fire. Been thinking about lots of comments to the front door. Now I've been thinking about using maybe the glass one on the inside and making a solid shutter on the outside. So kind of a best of both worlds situation there. So that's another possibility. We've got some more planking to do. So yeah, there's enough varied activity to do in here. Let's see whether this is drying. Nearly. Okay. Whilst that's drying, I think I'll get this hoovered off. Ready for when I do point it up. Some lovely stones in there. Who remembers that video? Already you can see, you know, how beautiful that's going to look, especially once you get a sealant on it. Nothing like a good hoover up to pass the time. Yep, made good progress on this. This should be dry in a moment. Let's give it a sand and see what happens. We're good to go. Well, that's as far as I can go today, so I'll see you all in the video tomorrow. Bye for now.